Welcome back, class, to another lesson in programming in Java. In this lesson, we'll be covering coding in Java, some of the basics in our first steps to actually writing some Java programs. So overview for some of the topics we'll be covering in this lesson include navigating our IDE now that we've set it up. We'll talk about the structure of a Java program and kind of break it down to some of the first programs we'll be looking at and writing later on. We'll talk Java syntax. That'll help us identify some potential errors that we're going to make when we're writing our first Java code. And then we'll talk about compiling and running the code, just a little bit more detail on the actual process of turning your source code, your human readable code, into bytecode. So, introduction. So just a little bit of review from our previous lessons. So why Java? Remember, Java is an object-oriented programming language. It has the advantages of being platform independent, so you can write your code once and run it anywhere. We'll talk about objects and classes in a little bit greater detail and what that means in terms of code. We'll also be exploring more on how the JVM actually works to read Java code, just providing a little extra detail. Remember that a computer is a programmable electronic device that receives input, processes data, provides output, and has storage. Remember that data refers to raw, unorganized facts that are processed, stored, or transmitted by a computer. Information is data that has already been processed, organized, or structured in a way that has meaning or value.